5 tough and tiny seeds. Written by Steve Metzger, illustrated by Byrne. 5 tough and tiny seeds sat on a slender reed, waiting for springtime winds to blow. Whoosh, whoosh. One landed on the ground, sniffed by a happy hound. Then there were 4 tough, tiny seeds. 4 tough and tiny seeds sat on a slender reed, waiting for springtime winds to blow. Whoosh, whoosh. One landed near a lake, beside a wriggly snake. Then there were 3 tough, tiny seeds. 3 tough and tiny seeds sat on a slender reed, waiting for springtime winds to blow. Whoosh, whoosh. One landed near a tree, buzzed by a bumblebee. Then there were 2 tough, tiny seeds. 2 tough and tiny seeds sat on a slender reed, waiting for springtime winds to blow. Whoosh, whoosh. One landed by a road, next to a slimy toad. Then there was 1 tough, tiny seed. 1 tough and tiny seed sat on a slender reed, waiting for springtime winds to blow. Whoosh, whoosh. It landed on a rock, close to a watchful hawk. Then there were no tough, tiny seeds. 5 tough and tiny seeds blown from a slender reed. Raindrops are falling from the sky, drip, drop. With bright and warmer days, now comes the month of May. Now it's time for seeds to grow. 5 seeds begin to sprout just as the sun comes out. What will they all turn out to be? Growing taller by the hour, each one a different flower. Rose, dandelion, sunflower, cosmos, wild carrot. That's what became of 5 tough, tiny seeds. Life cycle from seeds to plants. 1. Seeds. Seeds come in different sizes and shapes. Inside every seed is a tiny plant just waiting to grow. Some seeds become flowers, such as daffodils, roses, sunflowers, and tulips. 2. Seeds on the move. Some seeds fall close to the plants that made them. Other seeds travel to distant locations. This can happen when seeds fall into rivers or streams, or when animals carry them to new places. 3. Germination. Seeds must be in the soil or resting on top of the soil in order to sprout. When it rains, the coats on the outsides of the seeds are softened. Afterward, the sun helps warm the ground. Then the seed coats open and seeds begin to grow. 4. Roots and shoots. Roots grow down into the ground and absorb water and minerals from the soil. Shoots are the new parts of the plant that come up from the ground. 5. Leaves. Green leaves unfold from the plant stems and grow up towards the sun. Leaves take in sunlight and produce food for the plant through a process called photosynthesis. 6. Flowers. When flowering plants are fully grown, their buds blossom into colorful flowers where new seeds grow. 7. Pollination. Before seeds can grow, they must be pollinated. Sometimes the wind blows pollen from flower to flower. Other times, the colors and scents of flowers attract insect pollinators, such as bees. When bees visit a flower, pollen lands on their bodies. Afterwards, they carry the pollen to other flowers when visiting them for nectar. Number 8. Seeds get bigger. Seeds grow inside the flowers of plants. As the seeds get bigger, fruit or pods grow around them. When the fruit or pods breaks open, the seeds are ready to become new plants. The seed to plant cycle begins again.